process is to first attach the tongue to this location here, and then use the tongue to tip the unit up so that this item here can be placed with these tabs in this groove underneath, and then the unit can be rocked level on top of this. Now, an issue I discovered is this pallet is rather flimsy, and worse yet, the delivery people, at some point in the delivery process, the feet of the pallet in that location there somehow left the pallet, and it turns out that's like the worst possible feet to lose, or among the worst, because this unit sits on the pallet immediately in this immediate area here. So if I tried to do that without any sort of bracing underneath the pallet would no doubt collapse, and bad things could happen, like possibly this whole thing could tip over. So what I've done is I've put some 4x4 and some pieces of wood underneath the pallet, so we have a good solid support under this location in particular. So and the process will be, once we have the unit rocking on top of this, rock it down, attach the axle, this black thing there. When that's attached, rock it further and put the wheels on. And once those wheels are on, rock it up slightly on this side and attach the front wheels, which are these units. And once we have the unit on wheels, we'll be in pretty good shape. We just add the chutes and the chainsaw box and connect up some of the wiring, and we should be good to go once we add some oil and some gasoline. And after that, we'll do our inaugural chipping or hogging, as it were. Alrighty, so we'll see how it goes. I can't do any of this until the friend shows up to help with the rocking of the unit. The instructions strictly say don't try to do this by yourself, and I can see why it'd be quite difficult, to be honest. We will use a floor jack, however. The instructions suggest that the friend lift the tongue. I suspect that you need a pretty stout friend for that, so we'll be doing any significant lifting using the floor jack, rocking it back and forth with the floor jack. Alright, so when my friend shows up, we'll get started on the assembly.